I purchased these fabulous stainless steel zip ties to use for the nose piece in the mask that I am making. And it is very simple to use the channel locks to cut it to the size that you need, and you put it in the nose piece of the fabric. I have a channel here to slide the piece up into to make it work for the nose piece, and then you take and bend it the way you need it to be bent. You have to sew the piece in. It is sewn into the channel, and you have your finished protective mask for people to wear. It's sort of like a 3D mask. This is for the chin. This is the nose piece. So that's what I'm using this for. This one's already cut, and it goes inside to do the nose piece. Pretty flexible and very strong. Thank you.